need red chili powder 1 tablespoon, 1 fine chopped garlic, salt as per taste, corn flour 2 tablespoon, 4 potatoes and rice flour 1 cup. So we have to take one kadhai on low flame, put some oil in it. After that we have to put fine chopped garlic in it. And mix it well till it becomes golden brown. After it becomes golden brown, we have to put red chili powder in it. Mix it well. After that we have to put water. After putting water, mix it continuously till it not become boiling water. Now when it become boiling water, put a rice flour in it. Now mix it well. Mix it continuously till it not become like a dough. After mixing rice flour into the water, put that in another container and cool down it for 5 minutes. Cooling it, I have added corn flour 2 tablespoons and salt as per taste, and I have added oil for. I have to make a balls like this and then fry. Store it in container and keep in fridge for days and weeks. When you think you want to eat the potato bites, you can just fry it. Our potato bites are ready to eat. Now you can serve like this and eat the potato bites and enjoy the potato bites. Bye. Thank you for watching our video, and don't forget to subscribe, like and share and click the bell.